Decline of the Mughals. The Mughal dynasty founded by Zahiruddin Babur following his decisive victory at the Battle of Panipat in 1526 continued to grow in size under his successors. It reached its territorial climax under Aurangzeb 1657–1707, when the Mughal Empire was stretched from Kashmir in the north to Jinji in south and from Hindu Kush in the west to Chittagong in the east. But the process of decline had set in during the time of Aurangzeb, and it could not be arrested by his weak successors. Ironically, such territorial gains by Aurangzeb, instead of increasing the strength of the empire, actually weakened the foundations because of his socio-religious policies, which, in sharp contrast to his ancestors, were intolerant and fundamentalist in nature. After Aurangzeb's death in 1707, the empire kept shrinking in size and kept weakening. In the 150 years period between 1707 when Aurangzeb died and 1857 when the last of the Mughals, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was deposed by the British, there were as many as 12 Mughals who occupied the throne. Two of the longest surviving, Muhammad Shah (1719–48) and Shah Alam (1759–1806), of these witnessed devastating attacks by Nadir Shah (1739) and Ahmad Shah Abdali, who attacked 6 times during 1748–67. These aggressions left the foundations of the Mughal Empire completely shaken apart, from leading to rebellion, revolt and secession by regional powers all around. Causes of the downfall of the Mughal Empire can be analyzed under following heads. Aurangzeb's responsibility. Although the expansion of Mughal Empire reached its optimum point under Aurangzeb, yet it only resembled an inflated balloon. The Mughal Empire had expanded beyond the point of effective control, and its vastness only tended to weaken the center. His policy of religious bigotism proved counterproductive and provoked a general discontent in the country, and the empire was faced with the rebellions of Sikhs, the Jats, the Bundelas, the Rajputs, and above all, the Marathas. Aurangzeb was orthodox in his outlook, and he tried to remain within the framework of Islamic law, which was developed outside India in vastly dissimilar situations and could hardly be applied rigidly to India. The failure of Aurangzeb to respect the susceptibilities of his non-Muslim subjects on many occasions, his adherence to the time-worn policy towards temples and re-imposition of jizya per capita tax levied on a section of an Islamic state's non-Muslim citizens, as laid down by the Islamic law, did not help him to rally the Muslims to his side or generate a greater sense of loyalty towards a state based on Islamic law. On the other hand, it alienated the Hindus and strengthened the hands of those sections which were opposed to the Mughal Empire for political or other reasons. Aurangzeb's mistaken policy of continuous war in Deccan was again a fatal blow to Mughal Empire. It was continued for 27 years and drained the resources of the empire completely. So, Aurangzeb's various such steps marked the start of Mughal Empire's decline. Weak successors of Aurangzeb. The Mughal system of government being despotic much depended on the Perso